Hello once again and welcome to Module 4. This is the Module 4 of Tourism Management. And in this module, we'll be talking about tourism products and services. Now, tourism is primarily a service-oriented industry, and its success depends on the quality and variety of products and services offered to travelers. In this module, learners will gain an in-depth understanding of what constitutes a tourism product, its characteristics, components, classification, and life cycle. This module will also explore how tourism services such as accommodation, transportation, food, guiding are designed and managed to meet the diverse needs of tourists. Now, what are the learning objectives? By the end of this module, learners should be able to define and explain the concept of tourism management and services, identify the key components and characteristics of tourism products, differentiate between tangible and intangible tourism elements, describe the types and classifications of tourism products, discuss the tourism products life cycle and its implication for management, explain how quality services delivery enhances tourism satisfaction and destination competitiveness. Now we're talking about understanding tourism products. A tourism product can be defined as the sum of all experiences, attractions, facilities, and services that a tourist consumes during a journey. And it includes everything that satisfies the tourist's need, from transportation and accommodation to cultural encounters and memories. According to the UNWTO in 2023, a tourist product is a combination of tangible and intangible elements that together create an experience sustainable for specific market segment. In simple terms, a tourism product is equals to destination experience plus services plus satisfaction. Now, in this lab, we're going to be talking about the characteristics of tourism products. Now, tourism products differ from manufactured goods in several unique ways. Number one, we broke it down into 6. Number one, the fact that it is intangible, you know, like we already said in module 1, it is intangible, it is not perishable. It is intangible, it is perishable, it is the third one here is inseparability. We have another one called heterogenetic, seasonal, and composite nature. So these are the characteristics of tourism products. Now we have components of tourism products. It's the same components that we've been talking about from module 1. The 5 A's. We have the attraction, accessibility, amenities, accommodation, and the ancillary service and the ancillary service, and the ancillary services. So these are supporting services like tour guides, insurance, and all of those things. So altogether, these 5 things, these 5 components create a holistic tourism experience. Here we're talking about classification of tourism products based on nature. We have places like beach, museum, based purpose. We have things like for leisure, for business, cultural, religion, eco, medical, sports. Then based on destination, we have domestic and international, and then based on on duration, we have short stay and long stay. Now we have what we call tourism product life cycle, TPLC. Tourism product life cycle, and there are 6 stages. So we're going to be discussing stages of TPLC, tourism product life cycle. One, exploration, the awareness, that is building awareness. One, involvement, community engagement. Sorry, two, involvement, community engagement. Three, development, investment and marketing. Four, consolidation. This is the diversification and competition. Five, we have stagnation, that is slow growth, which also leads to rebranding. And then six, we have declines slash um, rejuvenation. This is where innovation is needed. This is where innovation is needed. For instance, in Nigeria here, the Calabar Festival required rebranding to sustain growth. Now we also have tourism services. Tourism services. Tourism services support comfort and satisfaction. Places like accommodation, transportation, food and beverage, um, tour operation and guide, information and communication. So accommodation, we're talking about hotels, lodges, transportation, air, road, rail, sea, food and beverages, restaurants, cafes, um, tour operation and guide, organized experiences, information and communication. We're talking about guidance and safety tools. So in this next slide, we're talking about quality and service excellence. The success of any tourism product depends on quality services, the ability to meet and exceed visitors' expectations. Now, key dimensions of quality services include reliability, that's consistent delivery of promised services, responsiveness, prompt assistance to tourists, empathy, understanding tourist needs, assurance, building trust and confidence, tangibles, like that's physical aspects like cleanliness, appearance, equipment, etc. For example, the hospitality culture of the Philippines. It is more fun. It is more fun. It is more fun in the Philippines, and Niger warmth. So these are quality and services. These are the kind of qualities and services that we're talking about. You know, when we talk about the Philippines, we can say that they are very hospitable people. And then in Niger warmth, the Niger warmth. So both campaigns emphasizes friendliness and quality services as key competitive advantages. Now, in this next slide, we're talking about innovation in tourism products and services. Tourism organizations must in tourism organizations must innovate to stay relevant in a competitive global environment. Examples include digital platforms, eco-friendly facilities, experience-based tourism, cultural fusion tourism. Now, why are we talking about digital platforms? It makes it easier for bookings and also for virtual tours. Eco-friendly facilities, this will attract sustainability-minded travelers. Experience-based tourism, this prioritizes emotions and authenticity, authenticity, cultural fusion tourism, where food, fashion, and art are integrated into travel experience. Now for this module, we're going to have a case study, and our case study is the Kenyan safari experience. Kenyan safari experience. So Kenyan safari products combines wildlife viewing, which is the attraction, luxurious lodge, which is the amenities, accessibility, that is the transportation, and excellent hospitality, that is the services. And then, the local communities participate through eco lodges and cultural displays, ensuring both economic benefits and cultural presentation. This result is a world-class product built on collaboration and service excellence. And now, in conclusion, tourism products and services are the heart of the tourism industry. They represent the total experience that satisfies tourists' needs and desires. A well-designed tourism product combines attractions, accessibility, amenities, accommodation, ancillary services delivered through quality, innovation, and sustainability. Tourism managers must therefore ensure continuous products, continuous product development, customer oriented customer orientation, and strategic service improvement. Thank you very much, and see you in Module 5.